Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today in this session I am going to explain chemical properties of halogens, 17th group in periodic table. In this session I am going to explain reactivity of halogens, oxidizing power, acidic strength, hydrates properties. So let me start. Reactivity. You know very well, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine are halogens. As we are moving down the group, reactivity is going to be decrease. Reactivity decrease. Why reactivity is going to be decrease means due to means generally these are highly reactive. Halogens are highly reactive, but down the group reactivity is going to be decrease. Generally halogens are highly reactive, but down the group reactivity is going to be decrease. And why reactivity is going to be decrease means two reasons are there. Reason 1, low dissociation energy. Low dissociation energy. So due to low dissociation energy, these are readily dissociate into atom and react with other substances. Clear? So due to readily dissociate into atoms and react with other substances. So for example, X2 is the halogen and you go for it and you are getting 2X. Clear? And the order I given already: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And down the group I told reactivity decreasing, but one exceptional case is there with respect of fluorine. Fluorine is less reactive, that is a dissociation energy, than chlorine. Here is an exceptional case for fluorine. Why fluorine is exceptional case here means due to strong interelectronic repulsion. Due to strong interelectronic repulsion. Between lone pairs. So here you have this is the fluorine and it has 7 electrons in its valence, and another fluorine you take and it has 7 electrons, 3 lone pairs and 1 bond pair. When these two are bonded, this electron and this electron, and remaining these 3 lone pairs and these 3 lone pairs are there now, this interelectronic repulsion between these two, interelectronic repulsion between these lone pairs, due to why repulsion is more means fluorine is small atom in this family. small atom in this family. Means volume is less, electrons are more. More the electrons, volume is less, repulsion will be more. Due to strong interelectronic repulsion between lone pairs, fluorine has less ionization, that is dissociation energy when compared others. This is the one reason. And the second reason is high electron gain enthalpy. High electron gain enthalpy. Clear? Electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy. So these are having high electron gain enthalpy. High electron gain enthalpy. That is electron affinity. Another name we are calling electron affinity. Affinity means affection. They are ready to attract the electrons. So due to having this strong tendency to gain electron, these are having strong tendency to gain electrons. So high electron gain enthalpy they are having. So these two are the reasons why these two are more reactive. Means halogens are more reactive. So here there is a question given previously for JW. Why halogens are highly reactive? So halogens are highly reactive due to low dissociation energy and high electron affinity. This is the very important concept you have to remember. And next, another property that is given oxidizing power. Very important property, oxidizing power. So these are non-metals, you know very well. These all are non-metals. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These all are non-metals. So generally non-metals having the tendency oxidizing, metals reducing. Strong tendency, I told already, strong tendency to gain electrons. Already I discussed. And here I am showing half X2. And these are ready to gain electrons and giving X minus. But the order is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now I am showing the order to oxidizing power. Down the group, oxidizing power is going to be decrease. Oxidizing power going to be decrease. Fluorine is strongest in this family. Iodine is weakest oxidizing agent. So these are having the tendency to gain electron, and fluorine is highly oxidizing power. It can oxidize others. You know very well. Loss of electrons is oxidation. Gain of electron is reduction. So this is oxidizing nature. Next. So reactivity we completed. Then oxidizing nature with. And here I am going to explain in detail about hydrides. So halogens react with hydrogen and form respective M, that is HX type halides. Hydrides. Halogens react with hydrogen, form HX type hydrides. And these hydrides properties in detail I am going to explain to you. Let me go for that. Hydrides properties. See here. First I am giving to you first hydride property, physical state. physical state of halogen hydrides. You know very well, hydrogen with fluorine will give HF. HF is a liquid. HF is a liquid. Remaining all are gases. Remaining all are gases. HF only liquid, remaining all are gases. You know HF boiling point 19 degrees Celsius. Means HCl, HBr, HIL gases. These all are gases. HF only liquid. Why here we have to go for HF is a liquid means due to having hydrogen bonding. Clear? It is having hydrogen bonding. And one more reason about HF here I am giving. HF exists as associated molecule. Remember, very important. Exists as associated molecule. Very important. HF exists as associated molecule. Means HF taken n times. N may be 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So it exists as associated molecule due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Why HF exists as associated molecule? It is due to having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it exists as associated molecule and exists as liquid also. Liquid also. Very important, you have to remember. Next, another property, that is melting point and boiling points. Melting and boiling points. So, having high melting point and boiling point. High melting point and boiling point. But small exception. Except HF, remaining having, that is down the group, melting and boiling points are going to be increase. Except HF, remaining down the group, melting point and boiling points are going to be increase in hydrides. And I am showing the relation increasing and decreasing order here. You know HF, HCl, HBr, HI. What I given? Down the group, melting and boiling point of hydrides going to be increase. So this is increasing order. But small exception for HF. HF having high melting and boiling point than HCl. And it is the reason due to having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Reason is having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Except clear, HF having more melting and boiling point and weak force of attraction. Another reason, weak van der Waals force of attractions also. Weak van der Waals force of attraction. So when weak van der Waals force of attraction and hydrogen bonding is there, this hydrogen bonding giving the high melting and boiling point. Clear? That is the main reason for melting and boiling point. And hydrides, acidic strength, very important for competitives, acidic strength. See here, these are forming HX type halides. These all are covalent in nature, in gaseous state, clear? In gaseous state, these all are covalent in nature, but these HX hydrogen halides act as acids in aqueous solutions, clear? So HX is covalent in gaseous state, HX is acids in aqueous solution. And now the order of acidic strength we are discussing: HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Hydrofluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid. Down the group, acidic strength going to be increased. Remember, down the group, acidic strength going to be increased. HF, HI, HBr. Means HI is strongest, HF is weakest in this family. And the reason is due to size increasing. Down the group size increasing now. As size increasing and dissociation is easy and ready to donate H plus ready to donate means that is strongly acid. So you remember HF is weak acid in this family, and moreover except HF, all other acids, that is HCl, HBr, HI are monobasic. Remember, very important, monobasic acids, because they are having one hydrogen only. But why HF is exception means HF is dibasic acid. Generally, one hydrogen only is present and student getting confusion. This is also monobasic, but HF is dibasic. Very important previous AIMS question. Basicity of hydrofluoric acid. So HF is a dibasic. Why means due to it exists as I told associated molecule already. I given it is associated molecule due to it exists as dimeric molecule. Dimeric molecular state. So it not exist in HF form. It exists as dimeric form H2F2. That's why it is having the basicity is 2. Remember, HF is not a monobasic. It is a dibasic acid. That is acidic strength. Next, another property I am giving: corrosive nature. And the special property of these acids in this family, corrosive. All are highly corrode. In nature. Means it can eat up. When you store in any particular jar, it will eat up that particular metal. And even HF can corrode glass also. So we should not store hydrofluoric acid in glass jar. It can eat up the glass also. That's why HF is used for etching of glass. ETCHING, etching of glass. What is meant by etching of glass means making designs on glass. We are getting designed glass for decorative purpose. So HF can eats up the glass also. That's why hydrofluoric acid used in etching of glass also. And this is the properties of hydrates: physical state, melting boiling point, acidic strength, and corrosive nature. HF is dibasic acid. It is not monobasic acid. So in this session we discussed chemical properties of halogen family, reactivity, highly reactive, down the group reactivity decreasing, and why these are highly reactive means low dissociation energy, high electron gain enthalpy. Oxidizing power, these are having highly oxidizing nature, and down the group oxidizing power going to be decrease. Oxidizing power going to be decrease. Next, hydrates. These family members react with hydrogen form HX type hydrates. And hydrate properties. Hydrate properties. So physical state, HF only liquid and remaining all are gases, and HCl, HBr, HIR gases. HF exists as associated molecule, HF taken n times, and due to having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Melting and boiling point, except hydrogen fluoride, that is HF, remaining we have means down the group melting and boiling points are going to be increase. Means HF should be less, but exception HF. Clear? Melting and boiling points are going to be increase except HF. HF having more because having intermolecular hydrogen bonding, acidic strength. These HX type hydrates are covalent in nature in gaseous state. But these are act as acids in aqueous solutions. That's why acidic strength we are going to be discuss. Down the group acidic strength going to be increased due to size of this iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine is going to be increased. Except HF, all are monobasic. HF is dibasic. HF is dibasic due to it exists as dimeric molecular state. Means HF not in the form of HF. It is in the form of H2F2. It is in the form of H2F2 and basicity is 2. All these group acids are highly corrode. Means they eats up the particular jar where they are preserving or stored. A HF can corrode glass also. That's why hydrofluoric acid used in etching of glasses. Etching of glasses nothing but making design on glass utensils or glass articles. Still anything you need, make a comment. I will prepare accordingly to you. Thank you.